Hey guys, P&W Hookset here. Another day in Oregon. No. Another day in Washington. Another day of exploring. So today I'm actually out here with a few buddies of mine. We decided to go to Mount Rainier and actually check out the area for any possible camping and fishing spots. So we actually found an area over here for us to just kind of relax for a bit and just kind of take in the view. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, this is our little area for the day. Nice little spot, nicely cleared out. Got the hammock ready and set up to relax. Got the river right next to us. So yeah, pretty awesome, huh? So yeah, now that we came here, I actually ended up buying an annual pass to this area, so I'll be coming here more often. Planning on getting my fishing license for the Washington area and maybe casting a few spots over here and seeing what I can catch. So this is pretty awesome, guys. Expanding out and actually going to more spots in the Pacific Northwest. So let's see where this goes. Alright guys, so we ended up exploring the area a little bit more. We found a little pathway and you go a little deeper in and it looks like there's a clearing for a little camp spot. We're over here just having a good time. Going up a little further, there's a little mini waterfall, so let's go check that out. Alright guys, so that bridge idea didn't really work, so we might just be bushwhacking a little bit over here, going through this little area and trying to get a glimpse of that waterfall. So let's get to it. Yeah, dude. Alright, guys.
Hey, Brennan, there's a frog.
There's a frog here?
Right there. They camouflage with the rocks. Brennan, in the water.